services industry and worked in the Morgan Stanley as an investment banker in London. Passionate vision to create an institution of academic excellence. Our principal, Mrs. Santosh Bhandari, is widely acclaimed and renowned educationist. She has been into education field for more than 38 years. She has been the principal at the DAV School, Sector 8, Panchkula for 14 years. She has won numerous awards and recognitions. Has been recipient of the National Award for Teaching from the Honorable President of India and the Best Principal Award 2006 by the DAV Management, which is running more than 700 schools and colleges in India and abroad. She has consistently produced Tri-City toppers over her 14 years of being a school leader. Now, I would request our stars, Chehak and Trisha, to take you to the glorious journey of the Sky World School. I would request you to please sit back and take the journey.
Good evening, honorable guests, parents and friends. I am Chehak of class 6. Ma'am, call me a star. It's not only a word, but a belief and a conviction that is instilled in us each day by arousing our innate curiosity and sense of wonder to learn, to discover, and to explore. We are empowered to know, perform, and apply the concepts we build with the assistance of our teachers.
We learn through a variety of creative activities based on a wide range of approaches so that we learn in our own experiential learning style, which we use naturally according to our type of dominant intelligences as per multiple intelligent theory. We are engaged through hand-on experience, making and doing things, experimentation, reading, discussion, asking, listening, thinking, reflecting, and expressing ourselves through speech, action, or writing.
I am proud to be a Skyworldian, where each one of us develops confidence and self-esteem. We are exposed to immense opportunities through a bouquet of co-curricular activities like music, dance, art and craft, story narration, quiz, yoga, and much more. For successful and holistic life, we are involved in a number of programs, celebrate all national and international festivals like Independence Day, Janmashtami, Dussehra, Guru Purab, and take up social responsibilities, organize events developing national heritage, universal values, and right attitude are integral part of our curriculum.
Each Skyworldian gets the opportunity to develop his physical strength. We are prepared by the EduSport, which has a structured curriculum and is designed according to our age groups. We have learned to play with the true spirits of a sportsman, as we can see the glimpses of all what we do.
Responsible global citizens, environmental education, and developing sensitivity towards current social issues are a part of Sky Learning System. We therefore shoulder the responsibility and participate in Peace March, Save the Girl Child campaign, Run for Unity Marathon, Anti-Corruption Rally, Go Green campaign, and so on.
Globally competitive. We are also prepared for the international and national Olympiads to compete at global level. No wonder we have the highest rank in National Cyber Olympiad, top ranks in International English Olympiad, and National Science and Maths Olympiad.
Sports. The school provides us a wide range of experiences appropriate to the physical development needs of each individual child through many indoor and outdoor activities that challenge us to realize our physical potential, like athletics, taekwondo, skating, cricket, and so on. The Skyworld School has collaborated with Dinesh Mongia, School of Cricket Excellence. Recently, the Skyworld School Academy team has won 3 matches against Indale School Cricket Academy. Infrastructure. We are thankful to the management for providing us world-class infrastructure with well-equipped smart classes, library, computer lab, and amphitheatre. Sky Major Events. Mini Olympic is a 2-day event. First day is the annual sports day and the second day is inter-school sports competition. We dazzled at Satare Zameen Par, an annual celebration where each child gets the opportunity to dazzle on stage presenting different dance forms, fancy dress and baby show. LTSE, standing for Laureate Talent Search Exam, is an exam which is an inter-school competition in which most of the Tri-City school children participate. Rangde is a celebration of colors where children express themselves through paint and brush.
Kalam Club of Innovation is launched this year. A creative inter-school science exhibition which is going to be an annual feature to promote scientific temper and help us grow to be ignited minds. Thank you, and now I would request Shipali ma'am to take over.
Thank you, Chehek, and thank you, Trisha. Hope you all enjoyed the journey. Well, all this is not possible without the support of our parents. It is their constant effort too which helps us to achieve what actually we want. We form a thinking community of learners that include parents. We have a number of programs where parents actively participate. The Edu Sports with the parents, Rangoli making competition, and of course our dedicated faculty. Good teachers know how to bring out the best in students. No doubt, we have a team which is committed, dedicated and passionate. The school acknowledges their hard work and effort. They put in each day to mold the children. Now, I would call on stage our head coordinator, Mrs. Alka Babuta, under whose guidance the teachers have been able to produce our rank holders and achievers. So over to Alka ma'am.
Thank you, Shivali ma'am. Good evening, everyone. With immense pride, I now announce the names of our bright achievers who have brought laurels to the school. Ranveer Punia of Class 3 secured international rank first in Cyber Olympiad Level 1 organized by SOF in 19 nations. Yash Kashyap of Class 3 secured international rank 84 in Cyber Olympiad Level 1 organized by SOF in 19 nations. Sitanshu of Class 2nd secured zonal rank 72 in Cyber Olympiad organized by SOF World. Diya Narang of Class 4 secured zonal rank 92 in Cyber Olympiad organized by SOF World. Anurag Dhiman of Class 4 won gold medal and school rank 4 in city rank 7 in National Science Olympiad. Aryan Kendri of Class 1 won gold medal in International Mathematics Olympiad. Sarthak of Class 2 won gold medal in International Mathematics Olympiad. Whereas Ranveer Punia of Class 3rd won gold medal in International Mathematics Olympiad. Trisha Das of Class 2nd won Medal of Excellence, scoring 100% marks in 17th zonal rank in English Olympiad. Ranveer Punia of Class 3 won gold medal, zonal rank 6th in International English Olympiad. Aryan Kendri of Class 1 school rank 1st in International English Olympiad. Ranveer Punia of Class 3 secured second rank in 14th Chandigarh State Sub-Junior Taekwondo Championship 2014. Rutransh Gupta of Class 1 won silver medal in Open Inter-House Taekwondo Championship at Stepping Stone School on 10th October 2014. Dhruv Khera of Class 3rd won bronze medal in Open Inter-School Taekwondo Championship at Stepping Stones on 9th and 10th October 2014. Kunal Thakur of Class 3rd won bronze medal in Open Inter-School Taekwondo Championship at Stepping Stones on 9th and 10th October 2014. Ananya Thakur of Class 1 won 3rd prize in Dress Up Like Gandhiji competition. Ranveer Punia of Class 4 secured Medal of Excellence, State Rank 1st, International Rank 4 in Cyber Olympia 2015. Sitanshu of Class 3rd secured State Rank 23rd, International Rank 57, Medal of Excellence in National Cyber Olympia 2015. Adish Dikshit of Class 3rd secured State Rank 15, International Rank 102, Gold Medal in National Cyber Olympia 2015. Thank you.
So parents, I would request you to give a huge round of applause for these achievers. Thank you so much. And now, our future plans. For the session 2016-17, the Sky World School plans to provide more indoor games to our students, that is table tennis, carom, chess. The rooms will be furnished with all the latest equipments. We are proud to share that the Sky World School has introduced Class 9 for the session 2016-17. The CBSE inspection is expected in the last week of December. We plan to apply for the CBSE affiliation for Plus 2 as well, and will be introducing various streams for our staffs, and would construct the physics lab, chemistry lab, biology lab and geography lab. We are all blessed to be the part of the Sky World School, and may God shower His blessings so that we may continue to do the best for the stars of tomorrow. And now, I would request our Honorable Principal Ma'am, Mrs. Santosh Bhandari, to formally welcome Mrs. Keshvi Anand Arora, the Additional Chief Secretary Education, the Mayor, Mrs. Latika Sharma, and the Mayor Chandigarh, Mrs. Poonam Sharma.
It's indeed a pleasure, ma'am, and I welcome you to be with us today. At a very short notice, I know. Very, very special warm welcome for you. Madam Keshvi Anand again is a known name in the administration. She has always been given the charge of most coveted and most difficult areas of administration, because she is known to be an upright and honest and an administrator of principles. She has never compromised on principles. A dynamic administrator. Currently, she has been given the charge of education. Additional Chief Secretary Education, Government of Haryana. A very serious task, a very serious responsibility that needs serious attention. Because education is the soul of society. It's a fulcrum around which we can build a bright, peaceful and better future of the nation. Being the Additional Chief Secretary in Education, I am sure with your direction, we will really make it happen. I'm very sure about it. And together we can do it. Now I welcome Madam Poonam Sharma, Mayor Chandigarh. Who doesn't know her? Give her a big round of applause. We live in Panchkula, ma'am, and we read in the newspapers. Mayor Poonam Sharma dashed into the den of gambling, caught hold of them. Courage that a leader stands for. Any accident, she is the first to reach. That is the true spirit of service that people expect from their representative. You have definitely endeared yourself. One, love, respect and gratitude of people. Because anybody who approaches her with any concern, with untiring effort, 24/7, she is ready to address. We are really privileged to have you with us today, ma'am. Madam Latika Sharma, MLA Kalka. I know her for about 2 decades. A sincere friend, a committed leader, a dedicated servant of the people. I have seen her as a party worker, working tirelessly for the downtrodden, as President of Women Wing of National President of Women Wing of BJP. She has worked